experience.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Lanse-au-griffon is a beautiful village, located on the northeastern edge of the Gaspé Peninsula, right by the Gulf of St. Lawrence. It's a place full of history, culture, and natural beauty. Lanse-au-griffon is part of the larger city of Gaspé, but it feels like a charming little community all its own. One of its highlights is its proximity to Forillon National Park. This park is known for its breathtaking cliffs, forests, and abundant wildlife. While you're in town, don't miss the Centre Cultural Le Griffon. This cultural center is set near the harbor and is an important hub for local heritage. Another must-visit spot is Manoir Le Boutier, a historic site that dates back to the mid-1800s. This building played an essential role in the area's fishing and trading history. Today, it's a museum where you can learn about the fascinating life of John Le Boutier, a local entrepreneur and politician who made a big impact during Canada's early years. Lanse-au-griffon's natural surroundings are equally impressive. The area is perfect for hiking, birdwatching, or just relaxing by the shore. You'll find some of the best views in the region here, with the stunning waters of the Gulf stretching out to the horizon. Whether you're here for the history, the culture, or the incredible nature, Lanse-au-griffon has something for everyone.